We always say my way or highway, and now there is a film coming up, Pune Highway. और इस फिल्म में हमारी talented actress आ रही है, केतकी नारायण is here. Welcome to Free Press Journal, केतकी.
Thank you.
And पुणे हाईवे, तो ये क्या my way या हाईवे, आपका ये कौन सा हाईवे है, आप क्या बताएंगे इस फिल्म के बारे में? जो एक बहुत ही बढ़िया ट्रेलर हमने देखा, जिम साहब है, अमित साध है और आप भी हो, मंजरी फडनीस है, तो there is a bunch of talent is there. So please tell us about this new film.
It's Pune Highway. It is based on Pune Highway. It is based on a Hindi English play called Pune Highway. It was written by Rahul Tikuna. And in that play, Bugs Bhargava Krishna, who wrote and directed this film, he also acted in that play. So they made this play like long back, and they had a lot of travel with that play, and people liked it a lot. And even Bugs was telling me the other day when Anurag Kashyap watched that play, he said, guys, you should make it into a film.
Oh wow.
And then these guys didn't take it that seriously, but that thought was lingering with them. So Bugs was saying कि इस प्ले को बना ही देते हैं ना फिल्म में, क्योंकि a lot of thrillers are coming and there is nothing much interesting is coming now. So this play has won a lot of awards and people really appreciated the writing and performances for that play. So let's give it a try. And then Bugs and Rahul, they both sat together and started working on that play as a film.
Wow.
So it was quite a journey for them, as I heard from them, because there were only 3 characters and it was happening only in a one room in a hotel. So Pune Highway, it's such a long, it should be a long journey and everything has to come.
It's a film now.
It's a film now, so to make it from static to non-static, transforming it to non-static was quite a task. And then my character Mona, who is just verbally in the play, comes alive in the film.
Wow.
And Manjari's character is added, and there are 2 more characters. Anubhav's character is added. So there are a couple of more characters added in the film. And then it has come to you. It's a murder mystery, whodunit drama. And there are a lot of amazing people has come together to make this film.
And of course, how was it working with Bugs Bhargava Krishna, because he is already so much talented and हमने उनकी acting भी देखी है और फिर ये direction में कुछ तहलकेदार कुछ आ रहा है ऐसा लग रहा है. So how was it working with Rahul and Bugs Bhargava?
I must say that it's very hard to find people like this to work with, who gives you so much freedom and respect you as a person, and also respect your views and your inputs when you are working with such talented people, because they are already coming from a legacy that, like, Rahul has been making Amul's ad. All those like funny stickers we see on Amul's ad are from Rahul.
Wow.
So it's like बचपन से हम लोग वो देखते आ रहे हैं ना.
Yeah.
So putting your thought, your imagination for that character in front of such legendary people is quite
overwhelming also.
Overwhelming, and also the way they accept you as a person is very important. Then only you can perform out of your box and out of your comfort. But these guys are amazing, and Bugs had been doing advertising, and he also did nail polish, Barut House. So I got this film. I got a call, and then Seema, one of the producers, she called me and she said, Ketki, we saw your audition and we liked it, and Rahul is this great person and Bugs has been doing ads, and so they would like to have a conversation. And I was like, these are such big people, and they are considering me for this role is quite a responsibility. I can't just, I want to do it just because I got a film. But also it comes with a lot of responsibility. But they are so down to earth. So Bugs called me and then they said, we loved your audition, Ketki, and we would like to meet you. Where are you? I'm like, you have to cross the Pune highway to meet me because I'm in Pune.
Wow, nice.
And then he said, that's the name of our film. This is like, it's like universe is conspiring to meet.
Wow.
Then I was like, yeah. Then next day morning he came to Pune. He didn't even call me to, or asked me to come to Mumbai. So he himself drove
Okay.
to Pune, and then we met and he told me the story. We had a Zoom call with Rahul. And then Bugs told me like there was another girl in this film, but then she backed out 9 days before. And then we are very sorry that we didn't see your audition. We missed it when the slot came, because there were like almost 30-40 links.
Yeah, I heard there is a different exciting story about your audition also. Please tell us.
Yeah.
Please tell us about that. That 3-page audition.
Yes. So they haven't watched that audition, and that audition has a different story, because I've auditioned for them like 6-7 months back. And I only knew that Jim and Amit are there in the film, and it's a murder mystery, and this character is a catalyst. She's bringing some changes in the story, and you perform, like give your best. So I gave my best. It was a 3-pager audition. Unlike other auditions, generally you get 2-page or 1-page audition, and then as an actor you feel, यार इसमें क्या ही समझ में आएगा, like how people will understand that I can do something. And mostly it's like a conversational, or sometimes hi, मेरा नाम मीना है और मैं ऐसी हूँ और मुझे ये, it's very verbal kind of a thing. But this audition was not like that. This was this character, like, because these guys come from a theatre background, and of course Rahul is such a great writer, and of course Bugs also. So they wrote that audition script very mindfully. It was not just like,
it was more behind the text.
Behind the text, and they will understand what is the graph this character can bring or this actor can bring in the audition.
Quite challenging.
It was quite challenging, and also it was a self-tape. Like there was no one to, give you more information about the character, or कि ये ऐसा भी करके देखो वैसा भी. So it was all, you only have to imagine how you want to do that character. So I really enjoyed, because I love doing auditions. Because in general I love doing auditions, because it's like a practice, it's like a workshop every day if you get something to do. So when I got it, I was like, yeah, I mean, I really want to know who has written it, but they didn't tell me, because audition में कोई इतना details नहीं बताता. अगर मुझे पता होता, तो I would have searched these guys and told them, like, I have auditioned for this. Did you check my audition? So
it was all a secret.
It was all secret. So then he said, like, we really liked it, and let's go to. Then I met Bugs in Pune, and then he told me the entire story, and I thought, wow. I mean, I really liked it, because not only because that character I can relate to. This girl is from Satara, and
she's a Marathi girl.
She's a Marathi girl, but she comes from a very politically strong family, and very rich, and grown up in a very safer environment. But now she gets a chance to go to Mumbai for some time and enjoy her freedom and do whatever she wants to do. So I was like, yeah, this is my character. Like, I also come from a small place like Akola, and though my parents, like, I have grew up in a very progressive family. Like, my father is a poet, and my mom is like, she used to do paintings and all that. So I know that side is different from my character. But maybe morally we are not same, but at the core we both have similar dreams that coming to a new city,
coming to a metro city,
and performing. And she's a dancer, like Mona is a dancer in the film.
Oh wow.
So I also wanted to stay connected to art after coming to Pune, and create my own identity, meet different kind of people, and experience life. So that on that part, both Mona and Ketaki was similar. So I was very excited. And when then Buck said, okay, now you have to come with me tomorrow to Mumbai, because we don't trust actors. You have to, we don't want to lose you. So he literally kidnapped me. Like, he put me in the car and he got me to the office.
Highway. I
was like, is this a part of your story which you are not telling me that this happens? So he was like, no, you don't have to worry. And then
The journey started.
The journey started. We stopped at food mall. Then again we were like, I was asking Bugs that is this food mall has to do something? Are you stopping on this food mall to get something in the story? He was like, no, you come to office. We will have a reading and then you will understand.
Okay.
So we came to Mumbai and then all of us had a table read. And after reading it, I had so many things to tell about my character. So I literally sat for a whole day with Rahul. Like next 2-3 days I
So
was
the
there.
script like excited you कि ये कुछ है, कि ये कुछ interesting है.
हाँ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये कैरेक्टर सिर्फ मतलब इसका अकेले का जर्नी नहीं है. She has that connection with each and every character in the film. एंड वो मेरे लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था क्योंकि इतने अच्छे कलाकारों के साथ एक छोटा भी पीस अगर आपको परफॉर्म करने को मिल रहा है, so it's a blessing, no?
Yes, of course. Please tell about that because there's Amit Saad is here, Jim Saab is here, Manjuri Bhatnagar is there.
Yeah.
So all are talented and of course you are also talented. तो ये इनके साथ काम करना ये कैसे था? How was it?
With Amit, though, it was just like a river flowing thing. Because he's a very down to earth person and he likes to come on set and like first thing he will do is like he will smile at everyone and like he will go and hug people and क्या चल रहा है तेरा. He wants to know about everyone on set. किसका क्या चल रहा है, कैसे चल रहा है, everything is fine and all that. So though and my first scenes were also with Amit.
Okay.
Like initial scenes. So I was little stressed because this is the first time in Hindi setup I was going to meet different actors who are already working in Hindi space. So थोड़ा सा tension तो था ना. So, like, but I knew that Bugs and Rahul are there, so I don't have to worry much because they know how to deal with situations very happily, like ऐसा कोई stress था ही नहीं set पे. But with Amit it was such a beautiful memory I have because that was our initial conversation and he was like, you are coming from Pune highway? Because I told him like I'm coming from Pune. So from Pune highway? I was like yeah from Pune highway. And then he was like, कैसा लग रहा है बॉम्बे, मजा आ रहा है? And he was like treating me like ये बच्ची है अभी आई है तो इसको पूछते इसकी जरा टांग खींचते. I was like yeah बॉम्बे तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है but I'm missing home food. And from next day I got home tiffin like from Amit.
Oh, how sweet.
Yeah, and Imran bhai is always with Amit, so he always used to ask me कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, आपको ये अच्छा लगता है तो मैं आपको ये भेजता हूँ.
तो घर का खाना
आने लगा. And I was like this is मतलब you remember ना like in childhood हम लोग किसी के भी मतलब अपने दोस्त के घर पे जाके खाना खाते थे कि आपको भूख लग ली मुझे आंटी भूख लगी है तो immediately we used to get that and there was no.
It feels good, yeah.
It feels good that somebody is feeding us, So that's a very special moment I have with
very
Amit.
Sweet gesture.
Yeah,
yes.
very sweet gesture.
Very kind.
Very kind. So
that kind of comfort you had.
I had with Amit.
Okay.
With Jim, we had very intense whichever scenes we had, and those were we couldn't let it just flow because it had to be very controlled scenes. And Jim is such an actor that because he's playing a lawyer in the film and his character is like kind of manipulative and very headstrong and like that. So the kind of vibes he was giving during the scenes that also helped me to develop my character according to his character. Okay. Because I was finding difficulty because with Amit I knew what is the flow in the film and script. With Manjiri also I knew that okay I need to reach this point to trigger her. But with Jim it was very controlled thing. So but of course because he has worked so much and so he has that charm to actually manipulate the other actor to be in that character in that way maybe. Wow. So that worked for me a lot.
So and there was so much learning also.
Yeah, it was very it was with every actor it was kind of a learning experience. And with Manjiri, so when we see Manjiri from Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na and I saw Manjiri once on Food Mall coming from Pune to Mumbai when I was a kid. Okay, जाने तू ना यहाँ जाने ना अभी just आया था I guess. And then I was like, that's the girl from Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, and I was just roaming around her, and I didn't have guts to go and ask her for a selfie because I was just small girl and didn't have guts. Okay, so I was just looking at her, and other people were just going and clicking pictures with her, and she was like smiling and giving selfies and all that. And then I get to work with her, and we have that intense fight sequence.
Oh yes, you are that fight, proper
yeah,
fight.
literally fight that we are just breaking each other's nose and pulling each other's hair. So I was like, I don't want to even, hurt her or touch her, like she's such a sweet person for me. Like I have another image
another
of
image.
Manjiri apart from that. But we, and that was our again initial scenes where we have to really fight. So initially we didn't connect much because we had to keep that distance to reach to that point. But the moment that fight happened, we were like holding hands and I was like, you know what, Manjiri, this had happened. Like on Food Mall I saw you, this happened, that happened. And Manjiri is such a headstrong person. Like whenever we see her, we always see her like smiling or you feel like she's a very melting person. But whenever I go and tell her like, you know what, Manjiri, this is happening in life and this is like we have created and came to that bond now that we need to share things with
You
each
got
other.
a friendship bond now.
Friendship bond.
Nice.
And she has such headstrong opinions and views that Ketki, this is not right, this is correct, you should not do this, you should do this. So she's very like clear in her mind and very powerful. I mean, there are two sides of Manjiri, I feel. I mean, one that that's a soft, like she loves cat and she has that motherly nature, but her other side is like a businesswoman, like a powerful woman.
Wow.
Yeah, and a very good friend.
Wow. And of course, मतलब जैसे आपने cat fights भी किए हैं, girl fights भी हुए हैं.
Yeah.
And the character and the look itself is so good. मतलब वो look भी आपका बहुत अच्छा आया है. And the song, we have to talk about it. The Sunidhi Chauhan song, Ali Girl.
Yeah.
So please tell us about it because Sunidhi is singing and योर सॉन्ग इज मतलब हमने आपके मराठी में भी गाने सुपर हिट हुए हैं, वो हमने देखे हैं. जैसे गर्ल्स नाम की फिल्म थी, वहाँ पे भी आपके बहुत ही गाने सुपर हिट हुए, छबीदार छबी, अली वो, और यहाँ पे भी अली ग है. Yes, अली है, यहाँ पे भी अली ग है.
Yes.
So please tell us about that Ali G song.
I know. So this song was something else before when we were shooting. It was not ready, so we just had a scratch version of it. And then like we had our premiere, a world premiere, India premiere in IFFI, Goa.
Okay, nice.
And then
The last year IFFI.
Last year.
Oh wow.
Yeah, in December.
Awesome. Oh.
So Bugs was like, Ketki, I have a surprise for you. Like, what is it? And then he made me listen to this song, and I was like, this is Sunidhi Chauhan. And he was like, yes! And I was like, what? And I was so happy. Like this is every actor's dream that Sunidhi के आवाज में तो मुझे नाचना है, या I really want to have that voice on my character.
Exactly.
And this was like dream coming true because I had been listening to Sunidhi's songs since childhood.
She's a legend.
Yeah, and then I always used to, whenever I love Urmila Matondkar. So whenever I used to see that film Mast, so I always, you remember like in childhood we have to call and play that song on your local channel.
Right,
so
right.
I always used to play the Sunidhi song that
Ooh, wow.
आँखों में तेरे सपने, होठों पे तेरे नगमे. So I was like, I used to play it on loop because that throw and that everything used to give me goosebumps, and it's giving me goosebumps now also.
Oh yeah.
Like एक दिन तो मैं ऐसे करूँगी और full सुनिधि का आवाज होगा पीछे. And this is happening in real, which I didn't even imagine कि मतलब इस फिल्म में वो होगा. And this is like my first Hindi film, if you say like in a long format.
Wow.
And I was like, wow.
A dream come true already.
Yeah, it's like manifestation.
Manifestation.
Somewhere you dream, and you should not dream small. Like you should always dream big.
Of course. Wow, it's really amazing. और सुनिधि से आप मिली भी हैं, मुलाकात भी हुई है, तो वो भी एक क्या किस्सा है वो भी बताओ.
वो किस्सा, like we went for another film which got shelved, but then she was reading the script with another actors, and I reached there, and we also had to read and meet each other and all that. And then when I looked at her, I was like, again the same sound. उसके सिवा कोई बात नहीं. Like I'm just singing. This thing is running in my head, and background में ऐसे सब चल रहा है मेरा शाहरुख zone. And she was like reading her script very quietly. And I was like, नहीं ये नहीं करना है गीत की.
But because of, in a way you are a fan girl. It was a fan girl moment, ना? Because सुनिधि है सामने तो ये आएगा ही, मतलब ये उसके गाने सामने बजेंगे. Yeah.
I know.
Super.
And then I was like, somehow I generally don't have this courage, because I'm telling you from Manjiri's thing to till here. But this time I was like, can I click picture? आवाज भी नहीं निकल रहा है. I'm asking my director, can I click picture with Sunidhi? And he was like, of course Kinki, of course, why are you so worried? Come on, let's click picture.
Awesome.
And then I was sitting next to Sunidhi, and we clicked those pictures.
Okay.
But then we couldn't post that picture. I was like, one day I will post this picture, but I didn't know that this day will come in this
Like
form.
that. Wow.
So it's like magic. The magic is also happening in life. Yeah.
Wow. Do you believe in magic?
I do believe in magic. When your efforts are enough, then magic starts happening. So
Wow. Because I know मतलब you are such a creative girl. मतलब मुझे पता है कि आपका परफॉर्मेंस सिर्फ वर्बल ओरिएंटेड नहीं है. आपने कलरी भी किया है, कुछ बॉडी परफॉर्मेंस कुछ वो भी मतलब किया है.
contemporary
Yeah.
dance.
So please tell us about that, because you learned so much. So please.
I am actually a self-learned actor. I haven't been to any school, film school like that. But
you like that body movements and वो सब. There is a different kind of.
Yeah, definitely. So I
talent.
went to Adi Shakti.
Oh, wow.
So I used to work with an IT firm. Then I left that job because I really wanted to do something.
You were
in art.
working in IT.
I was working as a .NET developer.
Oh.
And then, but then again this thing, because I come from an artistic family. Like my father is a poet, my mom does painting at home. So I always wanted to stay connected to art, because technology, of course, can take you to places. But I think art can take you more deeper to your own self. So that is something which I really believe in. And
And your
without
inner
art-
calling was like acting.
Inner calling was I wanted to stay connected to art. I wanted to make films. I wanted to write, and I wanted to act. But I think because I came to Pune, and thanks to my father, because he sent all of us, like all three sisters, to Pune to
Pune.
be on our own and be independent and
Yeah.
get more education,
Nice.
Bulki shikli pragati bhari thing. So after coming to Pune and seeing so many plays, and
So
also taking
You left
part
the
in-
IT job.
So after a couple of years, I left my IT job, and then I went to Adi Shakti, because I thought, okay, FTI में तो थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा, क्योंकि they had their entrance exam and all that stuff. So I was like, I'll at least start doing some workshop. So Nimi and Vinay were our teachers, and they are still taking those workshops. So it was an amazing and eye-opening experience. It is 10 days workshop, and there I got introduced to Kalaripayattu.
Wow.
And then I was like, this is the form I really want to, because the body is so important. It's not just breath, and it's not just dialogues, and it's not, there is nothing about your looks. You really have to, I started getting more connected to my body after doing Kalari.
Wow.
And then I started practicing it. I also went to Alapi, and I went to my ashan, and then there also for 3-4 months I learned Kalari during COVID times.
Okay. Nice.
And I also feel it's not, I mean, of course there are so many books and so many films. I think that's the school for me now. And some amazing performances when you watch, or even day-to-day life, like I'm meeting you, or today we met so many people till we reach here. I met someone, Mr. Borate. He's a painter and he was talking about his painting journey.
Wow.
And then he said, I have so many paintings in my house and I really want to sell these paintings so that I can make more space.
In
to
our
paint."
FPJ gallery, art
FPJ,
gallery.
yes, art gallery.
Yeah.
So there are so many people and so many things to learn. We just have to keep our eyes and ears and mind open to, you will find something somewhere to perform in your and adapt in your performances.
And yeah, you sing also, you paint also. So क्या कर दिया? So you love all that basically. You
Jack
love.
of all and master of none होता है. My father says me that.
हाँ नहीं but ये इतना but this is also because मुझे गाना नहीं आता, मुझे गाना सुनना बहुत पसंद है but गाना गाना नहीं आता. But you have that talent. ठीक है, आप गाते भी हो, आप पेंट भी करते हो. You have a eye of painting also. मतलब तो basically you love all kind of art. मतलब ऐसा कुछ है या
मतलब इसका ना phases भी रहता है, मुझे ऐसे लगता है. Because when I started scribbling and like drawing, मतलब बचपन में तो वो कलर वाला पेंटिंग हम लोग सब मतलब करते हैं, एलिमेंट्री एग्जाम देना है वगैरह वगैरह. But during COVID times when I went to Kochi, not Kochi, Kerala, for a shoot. We were doing a film called Prapeda. My director got a state award for that film.
That was a South film?
That was a Malayalam film, and I got my first Best Actress award for that film in Dhaka Film Festival. So that film was also an experimental film. So we actually didn't have a binded script. So we had to, like, we knew what is happening in the film, but we had to bring that situation, discussing with other actors and our director, writer, can we do this tomorrow so that we can reach to that from point A to point B.
Nice.
So that was kind of a experimental thing, and we also feel like we are contributing a lot in the film and to take the story forward. And after that film, I got some time, and it was COVID second wave. So I stayed in Alapi, and then I found my Ashan, who taught me Kalaripayattu for 3 months. And while doing Kalaripayattu, then I started realizing that I want to paint or start scribbling.
Nice.
And
मतलब एक आर्ट में से दूसरी आर्ट में जाना, ऐसे कुछ वो अलग ही सफर शुरू हो गया.
I mean, it was like a journey, connecting journey started, and then I started scribbling more and more, and I think wherever, मतलब ऐसे तो कुछ नहीं होता, like I am not a singer, but I like to, sometimes I feel like okay, I can sing this song better, and whenever I sing that song, I feel like open and feel nice. So most of the time we actors generally do that, and I also used to
get into that mood or something.
Yeah, so even to learn languages, for example, I work in Malayalam, Telugu, so I like to listen to Malayali songs, Malayalam songs, and by heart them, so that I can get the diction correct.
Oh yeah, of course. मतलब ये सवाल तो है ही मेरे जहन में कि केतकी, मतलब आप Maharashtrian ho, you are a Marathi girl from Akola, then you came to Pune, then Mumbai, and then across the nation, and I think international also. So you have done so many movies in other languages too, like apart from Marathi, there was South languages film also. So please tell कि ये सब journey कहाँ से आई और ये languages पे command करना और वो एक मतलब different languages में फिल्में करना, ये कैसे, मतलब कहाँ से ये सफर शुरू हुआ और ये कैसा था मतलब आपके लिए?
Right. So I had been very lucky, I'll say, because of course I left my job, and then I always thought that any work, मतलब today also, like of course I get films or series or other language film, but even if there is any short film, if I get and if I find it interesting, and even if it's a new filmmaker, I would like to experiment that, because it's kind of a workshop, it's kind of a rehearsal for me to perform and find something new in that character. So initially when I started acting, this FTI का acting batch shut हो गया था for two years. So I was like, okay, I cannot even apply here now. So what can I do? So I'll start working with them in their diploma projects. So I did a lot of diploma project, and I made really amazing friends from Film and Television Institute.
Nice. So you have done like many short films.
Many
that
short
time.
films and their playbacks and all that, and some of them I have it now. So one of my friend, he was a Malayali, Anwar. His friend was casting for a Malayalam film by Jairaj Nair.
Oh.
So he sent her that short film. She sent that short film to the director, and I got into that project.
Nice.
And very first year when I left my job, I got my Marathi film,
Oh.
and I got that Malayalam film.
Malayalam
also.
film too.
तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि कोई भी काम मतलब वेस्ट नहीं जाता, किसको क्या पसंद आ जाए पता नहीं. So you should just give your 100%, whatever you know, try to improve and all that.
Wow. और अभी आज सब बोलते कि चलो साउथ में जाओ, मैं साउथ में जा रहा हूँ, साउथ में फिल्में करो.
Most of my
But
friends
you have done South films long back, yeah. I mean, wow, super.
Yeah, and वो एक film देखा तो somebody else watched that film, then that director called, and in Malayalam most of the time I got the project because they saw some film or some clip somewhere and they thought कि हाँ ये character जाता है. The director had that conviction कि ये कर लेगी. So that's how I got most of the Malayalam films.
Nice.
And
learning of languages?
learning of languages.
Or learning of the dialogues or?
Initially तो I was very scared कि कैसे करूँगी because I have never done it, right? और मतलब फिल्में भी नहीं देखी थी क्योंकि coming from Akola, when I was meeting this Malayali friends, in between they showed me one or two Malayalam film, or mostly world cinema. They used to talk about German cinema and Korean cinema and all
international cinema.
International films. So तब तो immediately मैंने कुछ देखा नहीं था when I joined Malayalam films. But then I started by hearting it. But slowly I started finding my own process.
Nice.
That I'll go little ahead of time, little before the time. I'll go 10 days before the shoot. I'll start talking to the ADs and
the local people also.
Local people, and also you need to know from where that character is. Like in Satara का accent अलग है, पुणे का accent अलग है, परत अकोला का accent तो मतलब विदर्भियन accent is completely different. So similar to that in Malayalam also मतलब अलग अलग है. कासरगोड में कुछ जो बोलते हैं वो कोची वालों को नहीं समझ में आता. So you really need to work on that sing sound thing of that language. So I started giving more time to those films, and I enjoy working there because I had met really amazing friends who are writers, directors there, and also co-actors. So there is this guy called Rajesh Madhavan with whom I did that film Prapeda. So during that COVID time, I really felt that this Rajesh has a different characteristics and he's a very sensible actor.
Yeah, and it was a Telugu film or Malayalam?
It was a Malayalam
film. Okay.
So I went to Rajesh place during that time, and then I thought, can we shoot something, Rajesh? And he was like, yeah, what do you want to shoot? And we were staying in his place during COVID times. So I was like, I have this idea of short film in mind, can we do that? And then there were another friends. One was a DOP, one was an editor, one was another director, Vinu Kolichal. So 5 of us were staying in one flat. So he said, okay, let's do this because anyway all film gang is here. So we did that short film and I'm planning to release that short film this year. So I wrote and directed it and Rajesh Madhavan has acted in it.
Wow.
So,
Super.
So it's like, it's fun. I mean, when you are not in your language and you are going somewhere else, you try to do more, you know, like you have to take more effort, but just enjoying that process and feeling like it's just a game, you know. Let's all play it together.
Nice. So you enjoy that.
Yeah.
So it's basically जहाँ कुछ creative हो रहा है, Ketki is there. यही मैं बोलूँगी.
I wish to be there.
Yeah, but that's really beautiful and that's really amazing because ये जो journey है आपकी वो और अलग-अलग highways पे जाएगी because of this. Yeah, that's really wonderful. और बस अभी जाते-जाते मैं यही पूछूंगी, अभी आपने बोला कि आपको गाना अच्छा आता ही है तो
नहीं okay.
Next time?
Next time.
पक्का? ठीक है, बस जाते-जाते यही है, बस ऑडियंस को बताओ कि पुणे हाईवे आ रही है और फिर आपकी और भी लैंग्वेजेस की फिल्में आ रही है इस साल या क्या है?
So very, हाँ मतलब वो अब कब आएगी वो मुझे पता नहीं, but of course there are
हाँ, which languages?
two Marathi films I'm looking forward
Okay.
for its release, which we already shot. And then there is one Tamil film I'm gonna work on now. It's something which is very out of the box. I have never done it, and it's very bold and challenging character, and I'm just looking forward to start that shoot. And apart from that, Pune Highway is coming on 16th of May in cinemas. So please go and watch it, and watch it with your friends, because it's a friendship story and how they mess up their life.
वाह, बट यस मतलब लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर दैट.
Thank
जाते
you.
जाते यही सवाल एक जहन में आ रहा है कि अब ये फिल्म फ्रेंडशिप की है. फ्रेंडशिप आपके लिए क्या है?
I think friendship is everything. Well, friendship is also family, and I have been very privileged and lucky to have my family as my friends also. Like my parents are so open that I can talk to them about anything. But the moment I left house, my friends were my family. I mean, I can't imagine like coming to Pune or Mumbai, to a new metro city from a small place. I cannot imagine my life without my friends. Even like we always had this thing, in Akola, like we used to watch all old classic movies, and sometimes on Star Movies and AXN, James Bond's movies, and all that. But when I met these friends, they made me watch world cinema, and like Iranian films, German films, and then I felt like, oh, cinema is not what just I was watching. It's so much more, and people are doing so many things. And without my friends, I wouldn't have got that knowledge and that perspective about art. And whenever I came to Mumbai, मतलब ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है कि I have to worry कि मैं कहाँ पे रह रही हूँ. Like they all are like supportive, like don't go anywhere, like come home. So I just can't minus that part of friendship from my life and then think about, okay, who I am. I'm made up of my friends, I guess. Yeah.
So sweet of you. सुपर. कि बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके और ये बातें करके, और ऐसे ही अलग अलग लैंग्वेजेस में फिल्म करते रहो, और ये फर्स्ट हिंदी फिल्म है आपकी, तो इसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Thank you.
कीप रॉकिंग, और
you.
ये हाईवे माय वे चलता ही रहेगा. सो आई होप योर जर्नी विल बी अमेजिंग एंड विशिंग यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
Thank you so much, and I'm also feeling so amazing because of course we know each other since long, and this conversation is more emotional for me rather than चलो जाके अभी फिल्म का information दे के आना. It's not just like that, but it's just more than that.
Yes, and of course it was wonderful, and it's always wonderful talking to you, Ketki.
Same
So
here.
keep rocking, all the very best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thanks.
Thanks.